Okay, Oreo girl, Sunshine boy, Nugget boy, Yogurt girl. Nice. Okay, well. Oh look! Always sitting next. Oh, there goes.
Just quite well with
There goes Oreo. There goes Oreo. Hopping, hopping, hopping. Or Nugget could be a flamingo. Cause you know he's like. Hello, Nugget. Nice, yummy, yummy. Nice bath. Uh-huh. And why isn't Yogurt on there? She's always on there. She's always singing her heart out. White and no black. Most white with a tiny bit of yellow. That's what Yogurt is. They really like the grass. I bet it's more like a little difficult, I'd say.